What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be bedlining the bed of the Silverado. We gotta rinse it, wash it, sand it down a little bit because we got the metal shaving still on there. And then we just removed this the other day. We just didn't record it, the little lip. So we're gonna have to sand this down also because we did primer the spot where the metal was removed from. And then we're gonna trim this up to about here. There's a plastic trim right here. This, we're gonna cut it up to the plastic trim. So we're gonna remove it and put it on stands so we could spray it and connect the compressor, be closer to the garage. We're gonna get to that and then we'll put it back on. Before we start primering the spots where we went down to bare metal, we're gonna clean it with some dish soap, get all the grease and stuff off. And then we're gonna sand and primer these little spots, and then we're going to wipe it down with acetone spray. Now we're cleaning up the holes with the drill bit, because since it was sitting for a long time, they got a little surface rust, and we're prepping all these spots. We just finished taping everything up and wiping it down with some acetone. So we're getting the stuff ready to spray. We have the tailgate here sanded, and a couple of spots need to be primered, and that over there, and the little cover for the tailgate. So all this is wiped down and covered that. So now we're getting the hardener ready, and these are the what we're gonna use, the Raptor liner, black Raptor liner. So we're thinking we're gonna use about 6 of these, probably 2 for the bed. No, not even, maybe 4. 2 for inside the bed and 1 on each side. We're actually gonna do this. And then depending on how this comes out, we're gonna redo the front fenders, because I had done them satin black. This is 24 hours later after we laid down the Raptor liner. It's dry to the touch, but we're gonna let it sit for another 24 hours. It's a pretty rough texture. I don't know how well you can see it. Overall, I think it came out pretty good. We decided to take this off to give it a close to factory look, since we are going to have a tubular bumper. This is time consuming because of the prepping, and the actual spraying of the Raptor liner took us about an hour to an hour and a half. Spraying this, the inside of the bed and the other side, and also the tailgate. We won't be putting the bed on the truck because we still have to paint the fenders, and we have to drill out the holes exactly where they go and bolt them up and everything. So that'll be in a couple of videos from now, and I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.